Sir, is it?
Yeah, visibility.
So good morning, everyone. So today I'm from electrical part. So and my roll number is 2101180. So today's topic for my presentation is innovative solutions for sustainable energy. So in this presentation, I'm going to discuss about different technologies that are presently available for sustainable energy usage, and also improving the efficiency in the energy usage in the current world and also the trends we can see. So yeah, so today yeah, so today we'll explore different cutting-edge science and technology which are helped in transitioning from usage of current non-renewable energy or inefficient energy to a more sustainable renewable energy source. So first, I'm going to talk about the key characteristics of sustainable energy. So what do you mean by sustainability? Sustainability that are things fully efficiently the current resources without compromising on the third generation capability. So that is what sustainable energy means. So yeah, so some of the sustainable energy, renewable energy. We know that there are different kinds of renewable sources such as wind, solar, or geothermal energy, biomass. So we are going to mainly focus on solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. So and then by using sustainable energy, there is no environmental impact. So like there is no carbon emission in form of renewable sources, and these energy resources are designed to minimize ecological damage and reduce the carbon footprint and pollution. And also these energy sources are very much socially equitable, such that this energy can be equally like distributed to all the classes of the community without any bias. And then, yeah, what are the reasons for transition to sustainable energy? So, the first reason is climate change. As we know that using non-renewable energy causes much greenhouse gas emissions, and it also causes melting of ice cap. So that's one of the reasons we are getting into use of sustainable energy. And then energy security. This energy using of sustainable energy, diversify energy sources, increases dependency on fossil fuels, and also enhance energy resilience. And then economic growth, like usage, introducing different land base for the renewable sources, create jobs, and also it develops or boosts the industrial power of all countries, and also it contributes to different R&D activities. And then it also helps in public health. It decreases the pollution levels and reduces the carbon content in the air, and it overall improves the health level. And why are we achieving sustainable energy? So, as we have seen the reason, so it is in today present world there is a reduction of non-renewable sources. So to compensate for them, we are transferring into a more sustainable energy. So next, what are the current breakthroughs in solar energy technology? So one of it is the perovskite solar cell. Actually, what is a perovskite solar cell? Actually, it is a thin film device that converts sunlight into electricity. Actually, this cell is made up of different layers of material that are painted or coated or else is plastic deposited. and these are used to trap the solar energy and then convert it into electrical energy. And these cells provide higher efficiency than the regular solar cell. And also it has significantly lower production cost and also revolutionize the solar energy. And then we have bifacial solar panels. So bifacial solar panels are just this which can produce electrical energy when illuminated on both sides of the panel, and it generates the electricity. So it is designed to capture sunlight from both sides. Panels increase energy in them are more efficient. And then we have a floating solar park are constructed on water bodies that save land cost and air. And then when we go to the wind energy, what are the innovations are vertical axis wind turbine. So the VAWs are designed for urban environments, maximizing efficiency in situations. And then we have offshore wind parks. Parks utilize larger scale and stronger wind, significantly boosting energy production. And then the innovations are like in the turbine design itself. So there are different technologies which enhance the energy output from the turbine. And then we have global wind power capacity, where the global wind power capacity reached a significant of 743 gigawatts in 2020, showcasing rapid growth. And there are different future prospects of wind energy, where it is projected to meet about 30% of global energy needs by 2050, which signifies its importance. And then we have nuclear fusion, the clean energy method, which is not currently now. So how does it work? So in fusion, it combines light atomic nuclear releasing energy similar to the sun, showcasing immense potential output. So what are the current development in nuclear fission? Projects like ITR are pioneering large-scale fusion power generation, demonstrating its viability. And the benefits of this is it generates low radioactive waste, making it cleaner alternative to fission-based energy systems. And also it is an abundant fuel supply. It is primarily fuel for sourced from water and lithium are virtual chemicals and widely available. So and then we know that AI is in demand in today's world. So how it is used in energy systems. So there are different predictive analytics, different algorithms or machine learning algorithms which are used to enhance the energy usage, which uses predictive analytics to help you anticipate energy demand fluctuations, enhance planning and improve survey. And then also it improves the energy efficiency. And there are smart energy management systems that are currently used and integrated to the renewable energy sources in a large scale. And also we have a case study on Google DeepMind, where Google DeepMind is an Google Initiative AI platform which like stores and works on the data and predicts the energy usage by the consumer. So this had reduced energy usage by 40% in data center to advance AI applications. And then we have enhanced energy distribution. So in today's world, smart grid systems are used widely so as to energy efficiency. These smart grids enable real-time monitoring and useful for integration of different renewables, support solar and wind energy integration into existing and adjust energy use based on availability and improve efficiency. And what is the future for electrical lower support percent by 2030? So, another initiative is the circular economy energy production. So, this is basically the triple R principle, that is reduce, reuse, and recycle. So, first is energy recovery, which utilizes waste, heat, and byproducts efficiently for energy generation, and then it recycles materials for renewable technology like solar and wind, and then sustainable resource management. It promotes the reuse and recycle for the nuclear concepts in energy systems. And then we have corporate initiatives such as companies like Siemens are where take R&D activities to achieve energy system. And what are the effective policies for sustainable energy are incentives for renewable energy, such that the government can reduce the taxes or uh, give subsidies for usage of this or installing of solar panels or usage of wind energy, and it can encourage the foreign investment. And then we have a regulatory framework, and by maintaining international agreements, we can reduce the harmful global gas emissions and improve the climate change. So one of the cases participates in agreements like the Paris Agreement to align with global climate also. And then renewable portfolio standards RCS, which is a mandate every percentage of energy to come from renewable transition. So it basically says that most of the energy, most percentage of energy used has to come from the renewable sources. And then we have hidden tariffs, that is guaranteed fixed payments for renewable energy production to stabilize the market. And then we have the about the sustainable energy policy. So the first is the Germany energy mandate. So actually it is a plan to move away from nuclear energy power and towards more renewable energy sources. So it is one of the policies implemented in Germany to promote the sustainable energy. And then we have Denmark wind energy, where in Denmark over 47% of electricity is provided to wind energy. And then we have California's renewable goals, adaptability of policies, inclusivity in policy making, where diverse stakeholders ensure policies are given equally to all the consumers. And then we have public engagement important, where public supports the implementation and the sustainability policy. So how do we promote this sustainable practices? So first one is the conservation habits, where reducing energy consumption through simple lifestyle changes like turning off lights and using energy efficient appliances. And then advocacy, supporting policies that promote renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, to reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Then community engagement, encouraging everyone in the society to take up the cleanup drives and promote community gardens to foster environmental health. And then collective impact, individual actions can collectively lead to significant reductions in energy use and greenhouse gas emissions. Then we have what are the business strategies in incorporating such sustainable practices in our daily life are the corporate social responsibility, which is an business initiative, and also we can see the Six Sigma principle. And then investment in green technology can boost the usage of the renewable sources. Sustainable supply chain organizations are focusing on minimizing waste and emissions throughout production process. And then in current present world, you can see Tesla, which is an pioneering electric vehicle company, which is renowned for its commitment to sustainable energy practices. And then Patagonia is an eco-friendly apparel. It is recognized for its environmentally responsible practices and materials in the apparel or fashion industry. Then what are the challenges and solutions for renewable technology? So some of the key barriers for the renewable energy adoption is financial constraints. As you know, to set up a solar panel, we need a huge capital or finance. So it is there are some financial constraints to set up such renewable energy plants and policy uncertainty. Inconsistent regulations create an unpredictable environment, discouraging potential investors in sustainable energy. Then also we have technological limitations where some renewable technologies are not fully developed, which hampers their effectiveness and adoption. So, what are the key innovations and takeaways? So, there are technological innovations like we can boost the R&D developments in the renewable energy practices, driving the transition to sustainable energy. And you can see AI and the smart grids have been integrated in the energy system for efficient energy consumption. And then policies, effective policies are essential to promote sustainable practices and engage both individuals and businesses. Then rapid advancements, sustainable energy technologies are evolving quickly, making a greener future attainable energy. Collective action, successful transition requires collaboration across all sectors of society to achieve sustainability. Thank you, everyone.